Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 student. Dear student, today my topic is food. This is chapter 4 in your book. Today, dear student, I have already written here some important topic. Today I will discuss about food from plants, food from animals, vitamins, proteins, importance of nutrients, food groups, a food plate. Dear student, you know, without food we can't live. We get energy from food. We get some food from plants and some from animals. Let's see. Food from plants. We get most of our food from plants. Plants give us vegetables, fruits, grains and pulses as food. Let's see. The next, food from animals. We also get many kinds of food from animals. Food from animals includes fish, meat, eggs and dairy products. Dear student, you can see here a picture. This is foods from plants. Here's some vegetables and fruits, and here is foods from animals. You can see here is meat, fish, milk, etc. The next is vitamins. Vitamins help make our body work properly. Vitamins strengthen our immune system. It supports growth and help our body parts such as eyes and bones do their jobs. There are 6 types of vitamins such as vitamins A, B, C, D, E and K. Vitamin B is made up of different types of vitamins that is called the vitamin B complex. Vitamins are found in food like vegetable, fruit, meat, fish and dairy product. Dear student, you can look here. Here is some vegetables. This is source of vitamin A, and here is some food. This is source of vitamin B complex, and here is some fruit. This is source of vitamin C. Our next topic is protein. Proteins are used to replace, repair and grow our bodies. We can get proteins from plants and animal foods. Protein comes from the plant sources is called plant proteins. Similarly, proteins come from the animal sources is called animal proteins. Meats, fish, eggs and dairy products are source of animal protein. You can look this picture. Here is plant protein and here is animal protein picture. Now the next topic is importance of nutrients. Nutrients are very important for our body. Lack of vitamins may cause different types of diseases such as night blindness, mouth ulcer, rickets, scurvy and beriberi. Lack of protein also can cause growth failure and loss of muscle. We may get iodine deficiency disease such as goiter caused by lack of nutrients. The best way to get enough nutrient is to eat a balanced diet with a variety of foods. Dear student, you can see here is a picture. You can see the boy can't see at night. This is night blindness. And here is a baby. You can see his leg is not normal shape. This is rickets disease, and here she has a goiter. Her throat is not normal shape. So our next topic is food group. All the food belongs to 6 food groups. In order to get healthy life, we should eat proper amount of food from each of these food groups. We can get all nutrients from variety of foods in each of these food groups. Balanced diet contains adequate amounts of all the necessary nutrients. We can select balanced diet easily from available and reasonable variety of food. The next and last topic is a food plate. A picture of the plate helps us to make sure we get all the nutrients we need each meal. The size of the proportion in the plate suggests the amount of food we should eat. According to the picture, we should eat vegetables and fruits about half of our plate. We should also drink plenty of water and can choose oil and fat group in small amount. Dear student, you can see here is a picture. You can see we have to take large proportion of this food, like this is carbohydrate, and then next one is vegetable, and then this portion is food, and this is milk, and this meat, that means protein, and last one is oil. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Take balanced diet and drink plenty of water. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.